CAT Group AI Visual Inspection System Detection System by AI Algorithm Industrial CCD Camera Professional Light Source and Mechanical Waste Removal System Current vision outside of China or require manual participation in labeling and recognition or through the sensor simple induction recognition to fuzzy judgment recognition. There are great limitations and inaccuracies. AI Visual Inspection System of CAT Group. The principle of kicking waste is to adopt high-speed industrial scanning cameras and customize high-brightness light source boards together to capture defects, combining advanced algorithms with deep learning technology. AI detect visual model built in real-time, realize intelligent identification and judgment, finally complete the precise removal operation. The two solutions are completely different. It's like the difference between a horse-drawn carriage and a Tesla electric car. AI visual inspection can remove waste specs including base fabric defects, ground wire, paddy wire, hole, scratches, connectors, wear, bag making defects, bottom sticker offset, patch discount. The upper and lower bottom folds are not complete, overlapping fluctuation, patch line drawing, no bottom sticker, missing corners, and printing defects, broken print, missing print, dirty, etc. CAT Group's AI visual inspection system has wide adaptability. It can not only adapt to the bag making machine of Joshua Group, also suitable for Starrier, WH, and other models. On AI visual detection system replace manual bag picking through AI visual detection. For advantages, help enterprises reduce costs and increase efficiency. Comprehensive functions. Currently, most AI on the market can only detect base fabric and bag making defects. CAT Group vision has upgraded premium layout detection. AI, high accuracy, relying on powerful AI algorithms. Install fire eyes and golden arms for the bag making machine. Strong adaptability. It only takes 80 days to install at the earlier. It's easy to operate. It can be adapted to all current machines at home or abroad. Personalized customization. It can be adjusted according to the customer's quality standards and management needs. Personalization. The efficiency and stability. AI replaces labor. Don't be tired. Don't complain. Don't make mistakes. Efficient and stable operation.